So they're out of the oven now, and they're very hot. I touched them, but you can cook them a little longer so they're a little more crispy on top if you'd like, so that the top gets a little brown, like you can see little brown spots there. But we're ready to eat, so they're good like this too. So I'm taking them out and we're ready to go. You need to try these. They're good. You can do it with all kinds of things, crab meat, all kinds of stuff. And you can freeze them and have them for your meal, and they're already done.